everyone, welcome back. I'm playing my classic happy planner for the next week in August. And I am planning that today. Hopefully I edit it and put it out quickly. So let's get started. Let's see. I know we used a lot of florals last time. We might end up doing that again because I like them. Let's see if there's any in seasonal. I feel like they might all be Christmassy ones. Summer. Should have pulled that out for summer. I didn't do a lot of decorating this summer, to be honest. Okay, like I said, this is for this week. So I have written a lot of stuff. So already in here. So a D group is what our church calls like our small groups, discipleship groups. We get together once a week and we discuss what we read in our Bible that week. And like hold each other accountable and all that. So it is really cool. Everybody else struggled to cut in a straight line because I feel like we're supposed to have that skill mastered and I do not. Yeah, I really like using that like one big sticker and kind of like cutting it and placing it all over because that's the same sticker, just different corners of it. It's a fun trick, I guess. So we use seasonal type, and seasonal flowers. Look at that price, $7. That's what I buy most of my sticker books, to be honest. Even that I have had to stop because I have too many, because I use 1, 2, 3, 4 stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4 stickers for a whole page. And that means there's a lot more stickers in the book. We got, what, 30 pages? And each page usually has more than 4. Let's do some puppies. but you'll lose your cute tail. You're gonna lose part of your tail too. I think that's where I'm gonna leave it. I was debating on if I wanted to add doggy bones, but I think that is good. That is Happy Illustrations. I don't know why I said it like that, but you can do another travel one. Okay, so I don't know, that one might be a little bit too much again, but it's okay. Too much is okay sometimes. To get that where the edge that we cut off is not enough to be to not know what letter that was. Those were both like craft sensations. Oh. Sorry, those were both craft sensations sticker books. I don't know if those are possible to get those here. I think we're gonna try Wild Style next. Okay, I was looking to see if we had something else to like match this design and put over here, but I do not see something else in the sticker book. So, is that it? It's similar, but like a different color. It's like the middle of those two colors. And it is not the same design, but it does work well. Sometimes we just need a little bit of motivation in the corner. And Saturday. I think I want to use these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that right? 9. What's a 9-sided shape? I know 8 and I know 10. I don't remember 9. Do you remember 9? Comment it down below. Wish some of them didn't say noted, so we're not just noting everything all day, but it might be what we're doing, because these nails are also just recently put on, and I am struggling. Okay, that's where I like that. And one more. And this is sophisticated florals that I used. That means that we finished. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can get notified when more of my videos come out. I am trying to get back on the schedule, but it might not be exactly at a specific schedule. So today, yeah, so that's all I got. Hope you have a great week, and I'll see you hopefully back next week. Thanks, bye.